Opening Premiere Pro for the first time or even after a long break can be very overwhelming with so many panels and options. It's very easy to get lost. But once you organize your workspace, everything becomes smoother, faster, and more intuitive. So today, I'm going to teach you on how to set up your Premiere Pro workspace like a professional editor, so you can focus more on storytelling and less on searching for what tools to use. Come on, let's dive in. So guys, right now, laptop screen now, let's start simple. You go to your window, you locate workspace or workspaces. You can see there are several default workspace options: editing, effects, color, audio, caption and graphics, essentials. Select the editing workspace. It gives you a solid, well balanced layout. You can make some adjustments. Okay, now so let's customize it to our own style. Every panel in Premiere Pro is movable. You can drag and drop any panel, like the timeline. You can drag and drop it anywhere you want to. You can drag it back, make some adjustments. But I love putting mine like this though. You can still stretch it, expand. Yep. It's your workspace. You can drag this, place it by the side here, make some adjustments. I like putting some of this down here, so you can see some setup. Then you can stretch them, expand. Yep. So one of the mistakes every beginner try to make is keeping all the panels open. But here's the truth: if you are not using it, close it. So once you've got everything just as you like it, like this, probably you like this whole setting done here, the whole arrangement, you can save. Don't forget to save. You go to your windows, you locate workspaces, then in your workspace you look for save as new workspace. Yes, save as new workspace. Then you name it whatever you want to name it. Okay, currently I think this is, let's try and name this, I can name it vertical workspace. It's saved already. If you can save it whatever you want to save it. If you are working on different type of contents, say YouTube videos, reels or podcasts, you can create and save multiple workspaces for each purpose. Okay guys, so another tip I will give you is that peradventure you come to your workspace and you found out that everything is scattered. The whole arrangement is confusing. The whole arrangement is overwhelming. What you just have to do, don't panic. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. Probably you come around and you found out that here is here, here is here, here. Like everything is twisted. Everything is, you don't know what's happening. Don't panic. Where you go to arrange it, you can come here, go back to your workspaces, then we go to reset to save layout. Yes, you click on reset to save saved layout. You click on it, everything resets. Yep, everything resets. So there's no cause for alarm. Everything resets. Yep. Then you can play with anyone. If you need your color grading panel, you can bring them out. Color, this is it, is out. This is your lumetri color. If you need your, which other panel, your effects, if you need your effects panel, you bring in your effects panels. If you need your effects panel, you use your effects panels. This your essentials. So this is everything. You can save this particular workspace too, just in case you want to use your effects, your essential graphics, your lumetri color. You can save this too. So but like I told you, if you're not using any panel, close it, use the spaces and use it and do something else. And yep, if there is a way I edit my portrait videos, this should not be the workspace I use. I'll give you the tip. I'll show you how I arrange my portrait videos. This is it here. I just carry this and I put it, I think, here. So I put it somewhere here, and I need to see my video very very well. This is a kind of workspace I use to edit my portrait video. If you want to take it back to the previous or to the original workspace setting, like I told you, you go back here to your workspaces, then you reset, everything is back to normal again. If you still want my workspace setting again, remove this, put it beside this your effects panel, then you stretch. You can see it clearly, you can see it very clear, you can see what you're editing very clear. So this is the workspace I use. Then you can drag all this that is down here, because this is a lot of space. This here is a lot of space for you. Then you can drag some of this and drag them, put them here. And should we just leave this here? I think we should just leave this here. Okay. So this is a good workspace to use for editing your portrait videos. I think the previous one we did, I think it's good for your landscape, like your 16:9. Yes, so this is a very very good landscape to use for it. Still, if you don't want it, you can still go back. If you like it, you can, once you've arranged it like this, you can still go back and save it, save as a new workspace. Then you can put it as your 9:16, then click on OK. It's saved. If you want those your workspaces back, I think the first one we saved was vertical workspace. You click on it, vertical workspace. This is it. You want your 9:16 workspace, you go, you locate your 9:16 workspace. I think this is it here. Select it. So boom, this is your 9:16 workspace. Remember guys, it's always good to save it. With just a few steps, you can organize your workspace from chaotic to clean. And this doesn't just make you work faster. Organizing your workspace doesn't just make you faster, it makes you better. Just remember, the way you handle little things determines the way you handle everything. So with everything I told you, if you take your time to organize your workspace, you're already editing like a pro. If this helped you, feel free to subscribe and like, and you can also check out my other videos to help you in your editing process or your creative process. See you guys, bye for now.